Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Sorry it's been a little while, I've been a bit distracted with other projects and squirrels. No, for real though, I have been distracted by other projects. I've been playing Call of Duty Online as well, and I'm actually going to be planning to do a bit of live streaming at some point, either today or maybe in the next couple of days. But first, I want to say Happy New Year everyone, I mean year. It has been a bit of a struggle for all of us, but hopefully we are now on the down and outs. Not the down and outs, the ups and downs. No, the ups and outs. The ups and outs, that's what I was meant to say. We are on the ups and outs. So everybody who has experienced hardship and just the... I don't even know what to say. I don't even know how to describe it. It has been an absolute shitter of a year. So, on a different note, let me just say, I'm back for another video. Today we're going to be unboxing a game that one of my good friends sent me, and it is Assassin's Creed Valhalla. Here it is. So Assassin's Creed was originally made in 2007, November the 13th, I believe, and the story is basically about a millennia-old battle between assassins and the Knights Templar. Ever since then, there has been different types of games come out, such as like Odyssey, which is kind of like Sparta, I believe. Now, I was really excited about Odyssey because you get to play a female character. From the very get-go, rather than being in part of the story or a multiplayer. So when Assassin's Creed Valhalla came out, I was like super excited because hey, Vikings, who doesn't want to be a Viking? So I put it on my wish list and boom, here it is. One of my good friends sent it to me, literally to help me get through this horrible lockdown season. So without further ado, let's hop in. I'm always terrible at opening these things. Come on. Ew. Okay, let's get rid of that. Oh, I can smell it already. Oh. Just take a moment to just oh wow. That new game smell is something of a nice. Oh, hello. Something of a nice welcome every time I open a new game. And actually, look at this. Look. There's another side to. I don't know whether or not there was a printing error or not. It's. Oh no, it's a different language. I can't work it out. No, it's the same. Yep, maybe it was just a printing error. I don't know. Right. Anyway, enough of that. Let's dive in, shall we? Let's get to the purpose of this game video. What? Okay, let's jump in. Yes, let's close that. I was playing Call of Duty while I was waiting for the Assassin's Creed to install. Okay. Ready to install. But it's installed already. Isn't it? Okay, here we go. Ubisoft. Okay. Let's hope this is going to be a half decent game. Not bad. I like the animations. It's pretty good. Inspired by historical events and characters, but only inspired by. Nice. So most of it is pretty much on the same, like, kind of platformy level framework. That's what I meant to say. Valhalla. I'm wondering whether or not I should put some purple lights in the background. Hang on, let me. No, not purple. Whatchamacallit, green. Just bear with me, callers. Green. We need green. Green. Aurora Borealis. Maybe I need to change the other one as well. Let's change it. Change it. There. And, because we need to have it to match, you know? There we go. Right, sort of green. Super green. Not quite there yet. Oh, wait a second. More like that. Okay, cool. Alright, so we're matching. Okay, great. Let's jump in it, ladies and gentlemen. Checking for add-ons.
Hold triangle to enable menu narration.
Yeah, no. Okay. Going straight into the next. Sequences, blood effects, dismemberment, nudity. Okay, well I'm recording this so I can change the nudity if need be. Crouch action, toggle, aim action, hold. Okay, next. Oh wow. Text size. I guess we'll just keep it to that. Let's go new game. Adventure. So what's adventure? More icons will guide you towards your rewards, opportunities visible from further away. Feedback on a world map. Opportunities and regular information on the compass. Minimal. Okay, well let's go to the adventure because this is... Because no, I don't have a word for it, no. I'm just...
Silence, you children of gods, and heed my tale of time's beginning. All was dark. There was no sand. There was no sea. No earth, nor sky. No grass, nor wind. Till fire met ice in the gasping void. And from this screen came the giant Ymir, first of all beings.
Ooh.
Proud Ymir, cruelly killed, yet from whose bones and blood and brains the world was made.
I am making this up, by the way.
You walk and war upon.
This is good. I'm really impressed with this. This is so much better than the Spartan one. This reminds me of the TV program Vikings a bit because I really like that one. And Agatha is kind of really hot. Lots of loading time.
There you are.
Who's this boy? Okay, you start off as a kid. It might be a boy, it might be a girl, I don't know. Let's take a look. Okay. Bit slow on the uptake. Ooh! This is...
Want to liven your step.
This is my kind of party. Nice.
Ah, there you are, my little dringer.
Go.
This is cool.
You see our king? Yes.
Very much like the beginning of Vikings.
Did you find the ring? Yes. Now for our little plan. When you see us talking, be quiet as a wood mouse, and then surprise him with our gift. You hold it out like this. You look him in the eyes and you say, Styrbjörn King, may our clans be forever bonded in friendship and in love. You think you can do that for me? Good. Tonight,
I'm gonna fade at this.
will be the cord that unite our people. I'm so proud of you.
I'm gonna fail so bad at this. All this pressure. I feel the younger me inside.
Stay lucid.
Friend,
My sword is grown greedy. I'm ready to fight.
So nice having all of these hearty folk in our home.
Where did he go? Where is the king? Okay.
The heads of joyless hill dogs. I imbibed on in brew, and I snipped the scraggly beard.
I'm really confused where I'm supposed to be going. Already. Oh, yeah, there he is.
Oh, no drink in your fist? Come on, I'll find you
I
something.
can't. I have a tribute for your father.
Oh, what a piece. That must be worth 2 sturdy long chips. Give it here, I'll pass it
No.
on.
No.
My father asked
No.
me. Sigurd.
See
Suit
good.
yourself.
See good.
You're not getting any mead.
See good. If any of you actually watch Vikings, you'll understand who Sigurd is.
Hammer.
How am I supposed to? Oh yeah, here. Is this it? That's no. Isn't that supposed to be like my dad or something? I don't know. Fuck it.
So, you have the ring? Good. This was
Good.
worn by your grandfather in the battle on the Northern Way.
Mother,
I'm liking the graphics of this.
can we show Sigurd the canstones he started yesterday?
That's a good idea. We'll do that in the morning. First light.
That would probably be me.
Now go. You have a gift to deliver.
Yeah, I do. The controls are like it's forcing you to go in a certain direction.
Abel, wait.
Skål! To Styrbjörn, the true king of Burgerfolga! Tonight, we are all made anew. Skål!
Abel.
King, may our clans be forever bonded in friendship and love.
Thank you, Eivor.
I did a good
Now
job.
and forever, I am pledged to you.
Hearken
well in hall of kings.
What did that mean? What did it mean? Did I just trick the king? What's going on?
Odin's mead our forth will bring.
Oh, that's my kind of party. Look at that cheese. I want all that cheese. That's cool.
Rewards for strain to Valhalla takes, and horns resound the mighty horn. For those who fight, for those who fight.
Under attack!
Ooh.
Not you, Ava. Not just yet.
Boo. Everybody's gonna die. Boo. I do like his outfit though. I think I might have to make myself an outfit like this. Okay.
It is foretold. The curtains are raised. Nothing is true until it is severed from the branches of Yggdrasil.
Who are you? You should be out there fighting. Wicked. Yeah. Go on, get him. Go on. Just all the blood. Yeah. Brilliant. Okay. I don't want to go.
Right. Go.
Oh, but I don't want to ride and go. Oh dear. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, you go do that.
Conway! Show yourself!
Sweet. Nice. Brilliantly done. Oh, this must have taken so long to animate and put together. I'm so happy with this.
Sigurd! Take the horse! All right, wait here.
Wow.
Now it's my turn to offer you, dear slave. Accept your fate, die a coward here before your people, and I will spare the rest.
Fight, my love! Do not listen!
If I give my life, will you spare my clan?
You have my word.
No, Aaron! No, Aaron!
No. Come on, Sigurd, get me out of there! Come on, ride faster! Pew, pew. Oh no! Oh god! Oh dear. Sheesh, that's beautiful. I would love to go and see the Northern Lights someday. Oh no. Oh no, 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 no. Wow. The cinematography design in this is amazing. Bite him! Come on, bite him! And I absolutely 1000% forgot that this was a fucking Assassin's Creed. Oh, come on, child. Do it. Yes! Oh, no, no.
I'm seeing two different data streams overlapped in the same DNA. Not sure why. Fix this or pull me out. I can parse the streams with a filter. Hold on. Okay, we're good. Are we? I don't know what happened, but I can work around it. You'll have to pick a stream to keep things stable. There's a third option, too. I can let the Animus modulate your identity based on signal strength. It's up to you.
Okay. Sweet. Okay, so you can let the Animus choose. You can go for the male. He looks dashing with his little makeup. But of course, I'm obviously going to go for the female thing.
Alright, I'll lock it in.
They've
and
both
push
got
ahead
skulls.
to a time where these streams are more synchronized.
Sweet. Okay, let's do that. And that's pretty much how the other one, the Spartan one, Odyssey started out. You had this like pre-story, and you went through a certain amount of stages, and then you decided to you decided whether or not you're male or female. So oh, there's a bit of a glitch going on there. Isn't she pretty? Nice tattoos.
How long have you been chasing me, Wolf-Kissed? 17 winters? 18? Do I now haunt your dreams? Do I warm your loins?
No. Oh my god, he's like... It's so much like the Vikings series. I'm so happy about this.
Your father's axe. The weapon of a coward. A scorn snake.
Very interesting though, mate. If it's a weapon of a coward, then why would you keep it?
More than to kill with this blade. But I know you would defy me to the death, fighting for a glorious end.
Of course. You killed my father, and you killed my mother. More importantly, you killed my mother. She was a fucking badass. Of course I'm going to hunt you down and kill you.
Enthralled as a slave. Humiliated. Your death will be a lonely one.
He looks like Gabriel Byrne.
Kill the rest
a bit.
Of the crew. Make them suffer.
Oh no, don't do that. I'm just gonna...
Is no more. That name is dead to this world.
You will be worth your weight in silver. To the ship.
I'm gonna kill him. I'm gonna kill him so hard.
And I take your eyes, you hear me?
Wind's blowing from the south.
We can tack north, then cut west.
This is such a good game. Already, it's...
Now what did I just tell you?
Very nice. This is so cool. She's fucking... She is such a badass. She is such a badass.
I will skin you alive. You will never leave this.
Yes, I will. Yes, I will. I got my axe.
You must be my eyes.
She's got a raven as well. Okay, cool. All right, let's do that. Right. Okay, so
My crew is in danger. I need to reach them.
okay, cool. Odin's sight. Ooh. Okay. Crew. Right. Oh, look at. Oh my God! Look at that snow. That's so cool. That's so amazing. Yes, I love it. Okay, let's see if we can get a map up here. All right. Not synchronized. Find and rescue your crew. Okay, let's do that. Honor bound. Quest log. Okay. Territories. Throughout your adventures and territories, quests will be displayed. Cool, cool. Tracking a quest will update the information shown on the map compass in the in-game log. Okay, great. find your crew. So I'm guessing that that little symbol is where we need to head. Okay, that's okay, so my video is like right on top of it, but I don't know if you can see to this side of me there is a green like dot on my map, and like I guess you have to just follow that as if it was a compass. So I'm gonna go up here. Yeah, nice. Oh, the sounds as well. The snow sounds like actual snow. I'm really fucking happy about this. Oh my god. Yeah, okay, so where are we going? Oh. How do I get up there? Alright. Oh. Nice. Oh. Let's go. Which way are we going? Oh, okay, cool. It's not that far. I just button bashed it. That's not actually that hard. Wow, okay, cool. So, I'm gonna say now that I really like this gameplay in comparison to the other one, because this is way closer to original Assassin's Creeds rather than the Odyssey one. I was actually a little bit disappointed with the Odyssey one and the gameplay because it felt kind of a little bit bitty. I'm going to slide down this hill, aren't I? It felt a bit bitty. It didn't feel like the original Assassin's Creed controls, almost. Assassin's Creed has such a specific feel to it when you...
Men. I need to be careful.
Where is he though? Oh, okay. Yes, I'm playing Assassin's Creed, aren't I?
This place is heavily guarded.
Okay, I'm just gonna wait until he turns around and then I'm gonna kill him. Might take a little while. I don't know whether or not he's ever actually gonna turn around. Turn around! Turn around, damn you! Let's go out of his line of sight and background. Oh shit. Well, that was pretty cool. Now, with all Assassin's Creed games, you really have to pick up everybody or drop them in the bush once you've killed them, otherwise you'll end up getting a good seeing to by his mates. Oops. Right, okay, I'm just getting used to all of this. Different controls. Cool. I got a bucket! Nice! Oh, there's a hole in my bucket. Right. Okay, he's dead. Let's head. Ooh, what's this? Cloudberries! Okay, nice. Alright, let's go. Okay, good. Good, I'm glad you feel better. The Raven's Eye view allows for a greater view of the surrounding. Woo! Okay. Wow, this is cool. Okay. Right, so now I don't have to worry too much. Hunter's aim. Oh, okay. So there's quite a long way to go until I can reach my crew. But let's take a look and see how R2. Let's fly a bit quicker. because, you know, I want to take a look and see where my boys are. And my girls. My boys and my girls. Okay, let's take a look. Oh, what's going on there? Okay, cool. Alright, let's do this. Let's head over there. There's a fucking long way, so I'm gonna go this way. This is nice open world stuff. Like, different surfaces actually feel different in gameplay as well. It's almost like, whoop, she felt stronger, so why the fuck not? So when she's on the soft snow, it actually feels differently to when she's on the hard snow. I don't know whether or not that's just because of sound effects or whether or not.
Just stay out of sight.
Once this land is under Kjotve's lash, we will live like Jarls.
It will not happen while Ravenclan lives. They fight like berserkers. Eivor Wolf-Kissed killed a score or more single-handed.
Ha! Eivor now tastes the slaver's whip. And with Prince Sigurd likely lost at sea, the ravens will soon...
Yeah? I'm happy with that. I'm happy with that. I'm happy with the way that went. Alright, I better move these out of the way. Because, you know, just in case. Let's drop him in there, and let's drop him in the same place. The snow is like a bit of a giveaway though. Never mind. It will take somebody a little bit of time to... it will take someone a little bit of time. Yeah. Okay, this is a great place for an ambush, but I'm just going to go down here anyway. Yeah, so it feels differently with the controls, and I prefer the controls to this one, of this one to Odyssey, because, I don't know, it just seemed like a little bit unresponsive, so I'm really happy that they've actually fixed that. Oh, where am I going? What's going on? Why is she walking like that?
There is fighting nearby.
Oh. There. I don't know whether or not I was meant to do that, or... Oh, wicked. Okay.
Dag, you old hound. You live.
I found one of my men.
I do. Slipped away in the sword clash. And what of you?
Kjotve tried to sell me off. A mistake he'll regret.
Not today, he won't. I saw him board a ship at Avaldsnes not long ago. Sailed east, leaving our crew behind.
Damn it, okay, we need to go and get the crew.
I will find them. You ready the longship?
You glory hound? You would take the rescue for yourself, so the victory song is written about you.
I can storm the beach then. Slay 24 men, seize our dragon boat, and hoist the sail in triumph. Up to you.
No, I will take the beach. A far more dangerous path. You search the longhouse for our crew. Oh, and here. This corpse will not have need of it.
Go. I'll meet you by the ship.
Mate, I need some decent armor or something. Alright, so hopefully we get to fight like an actual Viking. Okay, here we go. Inventory. Okay, let's take a look and see what we got here. Okay. The 3 main slots for weapons, blah 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 blah, it's displayed in new piece of blah, yep, okay. Main hand weapons will be equipped, okay, cool. Second hand, okay, cool. And 2-handed weapons, sweet. Brill. And then alongside your melee weapon, a bow is always equipped for long range attacks. There are 3 types of bows, okay. Brill, okay, let's go here. And let's equip the shield. Oh yes, here we go. I'm a proper shield maiden now. Yeah, okay, perfect. I'm gonna get people's heads with that. I haven't got anything. Oh, this is such a great game. Oh my god. Okay. Let's, okay. Ah. I think that was Alexa. Okay, let's go. Let's go.
Where that Oathbreaker is holding my crew.
Oathbreaker. Oathbreakers are otherwise known as warlocks.
Kjotve's warriors crawl through Ava's nest like lice. If I use the main gate, I may attract attention.
Okay.
Show me.
Okay, he's facing that way. Main gate is there. There's one. Where are they being kept? I guess they're in there. Let's see who else is around here. Are my crew in here? No. Interesting. So that's the main. That looks like battle training. Battle training. There are a lot of guys here. But where's my crew being kept? Okay. Maybe it's in this building here. I'm guessing it's this building here because it's got a little marker on it. Okay, so he's there. Wow, there are a lot of people. Good job I checked. Okay, so there's a lot of people that side. Is that actually a door? I guess that is a door. Okay, right.
Best not to draw attention here. The longhouse.
Okay.
My crew should be inside.
Okay.
Must be blocked from the other side.
Okay. This means I actually have to do something about. It's not going to be that simple, obviously. Damn, silly bitch. I mean...
Plenty of gold left in these lands.
Let's see what's up here. Can I get in this way? No. Okay. So I have to work out how to pick these off one by one.
Go for the monasteries. They're still easy targets.
Meet your fate!
Don't take the bait. Patience.
Okay, so the fighting engine actually isn't too bad.
You try the other one!
Sweet. Okay. Wrong building.
Jammed. Need to get on the other side.
Okay, so how am I supposed to get in this building?
Should be in.
Oh, idiot. So my crew isn't in this building at all then. Okay, so that's a bit deceiving. But that's okay. Let's go this way. Let's just keep killing people. Let's just keep killing people. Other things to loot. But I still can't find my crew. Lots of storehouses, but no crew. Okay. Wondering whether or not they're in there. It says that it will give me help, but I don't think it will. Let's get up on there. I keep forgetting you can pretty much... Yeah, you can pretty much climb on almost anything in Assassin's Creed. It's great. Okay, so it's not in this house, I guess. Maybe. It's a tad bit confusing, to be honest. Let's go across there. Ooh. Maybe they're in there? Let's get down. Oh, dead body. No. More houses. I love the way that the lighting is on this. It just confuses the fuck out of my eyeballs. Where are they? Still no crew. Always get up on the roof if you feel like you're gonna get like done in. Maybe? Is there a map here? Oh, I see. Right, okay. On a bound. So we zoom in, and I'm on the wrong part of... Okay, we'll go this way then. I don't know! Oh, she can't get over that. Oh, under there. Okay. I'm wondering how far I have to go. Alright, I think I know. Oh yeah, if in doubt, always check the map.
Hey!
Oh.
I can run.
I can run for. Of course you can, mate. But I can kick your ass. Right, hopefully I should be about there. It's sort of in there then. Where is my crew? Toss. Okay. Okay. But how am I supposed to find that? Okay. Guessing they're in there then. I don't know, I'm terrible at games, as you can probably tell. Uh-oh. Yes, I'm a coward. Whoops! He's shooting at me! What's in here? Oh.
You squirm like that, and my axe will miss your neck. Unpleasant for both
Time
of
to
us.
die. I want to make a mess of it, buck out.
There they are. What is she doing on the ground?
Unbind me and stick an axe in my hand.
I owe you nothing, raven shit. Yours is a clan of thralls and peasants.
Damn it.
You! Lay that axe aside or die by mine.
You should be on a slave ship to Ireland, Wolf-Kissed. But if you wish to be my first sacrifice, Odin will be more than happy to receive you.
You just killed yourself, Erky.
That battle sweat blow, I will sell you to hell herself!
Oh, dodge. Lol.
Kneel, Wolf-Kissed, and I will spare your life.
Shut your hole and fight!
Die, you sack of shit!
Oh, okay. Die, 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 die. Ugh. Come on. This is like, oh my gosh. She's dying. Oh, fucking hell. Alright. Aren't I supposed to have like a shield or something? Nice. Yeah, can you tell this is like the first like half an hour I've tried playing this?
Father, you should have held on to
Father's
this until the
axe.
bitter end.
Yeah.
If I give my life, will you spare my clan?
That
didn't know! Pick up your axe!
Kill them all!
No!
Oh, look at that, look. So beautiful. I suppose I've got to head towards him, right? Right? So bright! Tree of life. Oh yeah.
Eivor, are you bewitched? Unbind us.
What? Oh. Yes,
I'm
of
such
course.
a prat. I'm just like daydreaming into space.
My thanks to
Well
God's
fought,
favor.
Wolf-Kissed, even if your wits were somewhat rattled.
Alright, my wits are rattled. Oh yes. Oops, what am I? Oh no, what have I done? Yeah, okay. Right, let's give me little wee booties a try out, shall we? Yeah. Nice. Oh, that's a lot better. Mate, I'm so happy to have my fucking clothes back. Oh. Ooh, now I'm looking rather nice. Yep. Yeah, cool. Walking temporarily increases. Cool. Wait. Let's take a look. Right. Let's take a look at her. Can you... tutorials, stats. There we go. Turn around. So she's got all of like what you would expect a shield maiden to wear, to be honest. Like, I'm gonna scare the wits out of people with this. Fucking brilliant. Okay, let's go.
We take back our ship.
You do not need to tell us twice.
Oh my god, that's fucking really bright.
Watch my back.
Yeah, come on, get him in the face. Oh shit. For some reason I can't see my shield, so maybe that's a glitch in the system. Let's kill them all. Rah! Come on, die.
No, you're dead!
Who's this? What are you doing? Oh. Nice one. Get back in the fight. Where is she? Oh. What have we got over here? Why are you being over here all scared? What are you doing over here being all scared? Oh my god. There's some real fucking... Sweet. Oh. Yeah, I'm not very good at that. Oh, okay, I'm just gonna hit him. like a true Viking warrior ass. Kill him. Okay. Let's go back round. Where are the boys gone? Come on, boys. What are you doing? Let's go to the... Oh god, stop moving away. Yeah. Okay. Oh, cool. Who else is fighting still? Okay, let's go and get him. Die! And you! Die, die! Ah, yeah. Okay, cool. Where are they moving? Oh, there are more of us. Come on. What is he doing?
Should have run, rabbit!
Yes. Hopefully that's the last. Let's get on the ship. Let's go do that ship thing. Where are you going? Why are you moving this way? Come this way. Come on. Jesus. Come on. Let's go this way. Kids, you know. Who the fuck's that? Alright, mate.
Hey!
Take command of the ship.
Braggy, grab your oars. The whale road leads us home.
Gods, it's about time.
Stop yapping and
Sail,
start rowing.
catch the wind.
Follow the coast. Perfect. Perfect way to end it. Yo ho, yo ho. No, that's not. That's the wrong. Okay. So there you have it, guys. There is like the first kind of preview and the intro and everything of Assassin's Creed Valhalla. I have to admit, out of all the Assassin's Creeds that I've actually played, this is incredibly exciting because those of you who know me know that I am very much into the whole Viking thing with the shield and the swords and everything and the axes and the fur and the wolves and the fact that we're called wolf-kissed. It's like, oh my god, it's so exciting. I am going to go off and I'm going to play some more of this now, but I just want to say thank you to my friend who bought it for me, thank you. And thank you everybody who has like tuned in to watch this. I'm really appreciative of it. I'm really sorry I haven't like done one of these for a while, but I really quite like I intend to do more on a more frequent basis and not get distracted. It would be really cool if you could hit the subscribe button if you're new here, and if you give that little bell button a tickle, then you'll be able to be like notified as to when I will be releasing another video. If you have any questions, do feel free to comment. If you want me to review a game, do feel free to comment. Let me know what you think. If you have any anything that you want to know about me, even just ask me in the comments. That'd be really cool. And so yeah, tune in next time, and may the gaming gods treat you how you treat other players. Thank you very much.